Hey everybody, it's Jason with Wheel and Chisel. Wanted to let you know that we are doing a massive giveaway for our 2,500 subscriber milestone. We're going to be giving away either a 1.5 gallon kit for the deep pour epoxy or a 2 gallon kit of the Artcast epoxy from our sponsor, designerepoxy.com. It is by far the best epoxy that I've used. Anybody that has been working with epoxy or wants to get started, this is the primo stuff. Only a couple rules to follow. Comment below on this video, Wheel and Chisel. I will put the names into a hat and draw the names out on the next video to announce the winner. The only other rules are can't be in Alaska or Hawaii, and you have to be in the United States due to shipping and tariffs. Yeah, so just to recap, it's your choice, either 1.5 gallon of deep pour epoxy or 2 gallon of the Artcast epoxy. Comment Wheel and Chisel below on this video, and on the next video after we reach 2,500 subscribers, we will announce. Have a great day.